Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's update our current view on the euro currency. This is the daily time frame. Well, if you can see from the technical point of view, market has accomplished the minimum target that we have specified yesterday. So that was the previous high by this stop grabber pattern. Okay, let's say that this is almost the same as it was here. So market should at minimum will take out these highs. So that has happened. So market has hit weekly pivot resistance 1. It's 126.55, also taking out these highs. But take a look that market currently stands above this high, so that was not fast return back. Just grabbing the stops, hitting the weekly pivot resistance and return right back. Market now stands above this area. If you remember, yesterday we said that some intraday targets points on area between 126.60 127 area. Particularly speaking, 127 was the yesterday's daily of overbought. And since currently market has not bad short-term upward momentum, so I can't exclude that during today's trading session it will try to proceed a bit higher and maybe it will hit the targets that we have discussed, particularly the 1618 extension of this butterfly. Probably it will accomplish the 3 drive pattern that we have on for our time frame. But if you let me, I would like to say a couple of words about yesterday's speech of Mario Draghi. If you remember, we have specified 2 particular moments that it should be that should sound in his speech. The first one was that European Central Bank should hold rate unchanged. That has happened, and that was, by the way, the first jump to the upside when the market particularly will take out these highs. Okay. And the second, Mario Draghi should say particular steps, some detailed moments of potential quantitative easing in the European Union. That also was announced by the Mario Draghi. Particularly, he said that European Central Bank, with now no limitations, intends to buy the Spain and Italy debt. Also, the debt that has residual time to the maturity, about 1 to 3 years. And European Central Bank intends to hold this debt till maturity. It will not sell this again on the open market. That was the particular moments that investors would like to see and to hear. Also, he said that this will be the transparency about the duration of the debt and how much assets will be invested to buy out this debt. That will be absolutely clear information that probably European Central Bank will post on its site in the internet. So that is a significant moment. That is a really aggressive tactic that was awaited by the investors, and this was sounded. And in medium-term perspective, I can't exclude that we could see the appreciation of the euro by this new news, and if European Central Bank will show this by real action with the debt of the Italy and Spain to the 130. That will not shift the overall long-term bear trend to the downside, to the upside, if we will speak about the monthly time frame. But in the medium perspective, this is very probable, since if you will take a look at the all risky assets, that was really solid appreciation during the previous trading session, the stocks, so we can see euro, and that is the sign that some significant money will be injected in the economy, and that usually the trigger the demand for more risky assets than just government bonds. So, and by this action also it could support euro currency, and as I said, it's very probable that we could see 130 area. But to say definitely, we need some time and to get some patterns, some significant moments that could be used in the subject analysis on the particular market. So that's just my assumption. Well, what we could expect during today's trading session, since yesterday was the really big day and the overall week was really nervous, so suppose that in today we will hardly see significant price action. Probably market by some significant momentum, that short-term momentum that it has from previous trading session, will show some continued move to the upside and will try to touch the targets in this area. So this is just to recall that the 1618 extension stands from that swing. That is also was our butterfly, 127 butterfly. Okay, and that is the 618 extension of this swing. That is the 127 extension of that swing, and overall price action shows the 3 drive sell pattern. So that, since this pattern is forming, could trigger maybe some retracement in the nearest future. But the more important for us today is this area of resistance. So if market will touch it, well, probably this really could happen. So if you have the bullish view and you have still hold the positions, you can still hold it. But to enter right now on the long side of the market, it's not good choice, I suppose, because the significant area of resistance stands right here. So it's better to wait for some pullback to enter in the long side of the market. If you're bearish from that point of view, you could try to sell from this area, but currently overall context is bullish, and if you even will enter on the short side of the market, I suppose you should take the nearest targets, because this, if market even will show the respect of this area, I suppose this will be just a retracement in the short-term time frame. Well, on the hourly time frame, I do not see any significant patterns. You can see just by the way how market respects the confluence support area that we have specified yesterday. That was the 125.75 area of support. You can see it's just pullback after the rate decision when the Mario Draghi speech has started. Okay, some short-term traders probably fixed some profit to not take more risk on the speech when they heard that the European Central Bank holds rate unchanged, and euro shows some retracement right to the confluence support. But later it's returned right back. You can see by price action. So I said that probably market could pass to the 126.70, 127 area today, but that probably will be not very tremendous and fast moves, more due to the current momentum to the upside, because that's today probably the day of relax for the investors, since today's Friday. The very significant information was received, and it needs time to accommodate it a bit and to think about it. So that's current view on the market. On the weekend we will prepare the weekly research, so we will try to take a bit more in-depth look on the current situation on every currency, and maybe we will find something that will let us to prepare some bit longer term view on this pair.